So the car, when I pull this, goes round, loops round, and then goes to France.
Yep.
Exactly.
And if it works, it'll be the fastest Pluriel ever.
By a long way.
Are we all ready?
Taking up the slack.
Here he comes.
Oh, no, taking up some more slack. Manly, you know.
Here he comes again. It's elastic.
Oh.
We've got the wrong rope.
I'll go 3, 2, 1. Do it. We'll give it a go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Whoa! There it goes. Yes! Oh, good. There it is. I've got it. There it is.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh, it's...
Hang on.
Where's it gone? Anyone see it?
There.
Oh, shit. Right, well, on that terrible disappointment...
Poor Louis.
Who's Louis?
Him.
For Louis, it's time to end. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care. Won't be in France, though, will we?
No, maybe not for a bit.
No.